Hey there! Today we are going to show you how to make healthy and delicious soya chocolate protein bars with only 3 ingredients. These bars are perfect for a post-workout snack, breakfast, or whenever you need a healthy pick-me-up. And the best part? They are easy to make. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup soy protein powder, 1/2 cup almond butter, 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the soy protein powder and almond butter. Use a spoon or spatula to mix the ingredients together until they form a crumbly mixture. Step 2. Add the cocoa powder to the mixing bowl with the soy protein powder and almond butter. Mix everything together until it forms a sticky dough. Step 3. Line a baking dish with parchment paper and transfer the dough to the dish. Step 4. Use a spatula to flatten out the dough evenly in the baking dish. Step 5. Place the baking dish in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to an hour to allow the bars to firm up. Step 6. Once the bars have hardened, remove them from the baking dish and cut them into your desired size and shape. Step 7. Store the soya chocolate protein bars in an airtight container and keep them in the fridge for up to a week. Conclusion. And there you have it, healthy and delicious soya chocolate protein bars with only 3 ingredients. By replacing the chocolate chips with cocoa powder, you can enjoy the same chocolatey taste without added sugar or fat. These bars are perfect for a quick snack, post-workout meal, or whenever you need a little extra protein boost. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.